Hello everyone, my name is Rafael Bancoello, and this is my final project for the library management system. So this project was developed to manage the library's collection by adding, removing, checking out, and checking in books with functionality implemented using JavaFX for the GUI, and SQLite for the backend of the database. So basically overviewing everything, just a brief overview. The project followed the software development lifecycle, also known as SDLC, starting from defining requirements to implementation, testing, and deployment. Then we have the key functionalities. So basically the LMS allows users to manage book information such as title, author, barcode, genre, status, and due dates. Key functionalities include adding books from a file, removing books by barcode or title, checking out books, and checking them back in. So then you move on to the architecture and planning part. So I use the model view controller, also known as the MVC architecture, to separate the logic, GUI, and database. The requirements document defined the system's purpose, functional, non-functional needs, use cases, and user interface design. Then you have the logic implementation. So the logic was implemented in 3 primary classes: one for managing book objects, one for handling the library, and a main application class. Unit tests were designed using JUnit to ensure reliability. Then you have the GUI development. So basically the GUI was built using JavaFX, which I mentioned before, featuring a user-friendly interface with buttons, input fields, and tables by displaying book data. Then you move on to the database integration. So SQLite was used to store and manage book records, and then the backend updates in real time as users interact with the GUI. Then you move on to the challenges and solutions of it, which one challenge was ensuring seamless integration between the GUI and the database. This was resolved by using prepared statements to avoid SQL injection and ensure efficient queries. Sorry, my English is not the best. I'm trying, and I have a raspy voice right now. But moving on, testing. The software was tested extensively, from unit tests, verifying functionality, to integration tests, ensuring GUI and database communication. Then you move on to deployment. Deployment talks about the final application being packaged as an executable JAR file, which can be run from any system with the Java installed. Then for the final results and lessons learned, this project taught me how to manage a complex development lifecycle, use modern tools like JavaFX and SQLite, and implement robust testing strategies. These skills will definitely help me in future projects and my software development career, obviously. To conclude everything, thank you for your time. If you'd like to review the project, I attached all the files to Canvas, and this is my video demonstration of it. Thank you, and thank you for the great semester.